Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable circle to search on Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings applications. The Settings app is your central hub for customizing everything on your phone. Step 2. After opening the Settings app, you need to scroll down until you see the Display option. Tap on Display to enter the display settings. Step 3. Inside the Display menu, scroll down a little more, and you will see a section called Navigation Bar. Tap on it. The Navigation Bar settings control how you interact with the buttons at the bottom of your screen. Step 4. Once you're in the Navigation Bar menu, look for an option called Circle to Search. This feature is only available on devices running the latest versions of Samsung software, and it enables a cool new way to search images. If your phone supports it, the option will be available here. Simply tap on Circle to Search to turn it on. Step 5. Now that you've enabled the feature, you can test it out. Open the Gallery app or any app where you have images or photos. Tap and hold the Home button or the gesture-based equivalent, depending on your navigation settings, to activate the Circle to Search function. You'll now see a circle icon appear on the screen. To use the feature, draw a circle around an object in an image or photo. This could be an object, text, or any item you want to search for. Once you do this, you'll see a pop-up with results related to the object you drew the circle around. The search results could include websites, products, or other related information. Step 6. If you no longer want to use the Circle to Search feature, you can easily disable it. To do this, return to the Navigation Bar menu where you enabled the feature. Simply tap on the toggle next to Circle to Search to turn it off. The feature will be disabled, and the circle icon will no longer appear when you hold the Home button. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.